Hey everyone! Today we're going to look at the best jewelry gifts you can get for Valentine's Day. As always, all the products shown are listed in the description below. First up, we have a fancy band. The SKU number is 7562, style is twisted, and the base is 18 karat yellow gold. As you can see, it has a twisted double row design, one row plain gold and the other row in diamonds. The row of diamonds does not go all the way around, it only goes to the halfway point. It has 28 round, brilliant cut diamonds. The width is 2.2 millimeters, and overall it can be worn by itself or stacked alongside other rings for a very chic and nice look. Next, we have a wedding band. The SKU number is 7348, style is bamboo design, and the base is 14 karat yellow gold. This is a fine plain gold band. It is pretty unique because the design at the top is made to look like it's the wood bamboo material. The width does go from 2.1 millimeters at the top to 1.3 millimeters at the bottom, and overall it can be worn by itself or stacked alongside other rings, which makes it pretty versatile. Next, we have another fancy band. SKU number is 7630, style is twisted, and the base is 18 karat white gold. This is a fine plain gold band, and the twisted design goes all the way around and there are no stones on it. The width is also uniform, coming in at 1.8 millimeters. Overall, because it is in white gold, it's more neutral and more versatile, so you can definitely wear it by itself or stacked alongside other rings as well. Next, we have a wedding band. SKU number is 7071, style is beaded, and the base is 14 karat rose gold. This is a fine plain gold band, and the beaded design doesn't go all the way around. It goes roughly to 3/4 of the ring. The width is uniform, coming in at 1.7 millimeters, and because this one is made from rose gold, it does have a bit more flair, but you can still wear it alone or pair it with other rings. Next, we have the first necklace. SKU number is 6289, style is bow, and the base is 18 karat white gold. This is a necklace, so unfortunately the chain cannot be separated from the actual pendant piece. If you want to change it, you'd have to bring it in a jewelry store, and also this piece does have a large amount of diamonds set in it, coming in at 0.51 carats. Overall, it's a very lovely piece and would make an absolutely great gift for that special someone on Valentine's. Next, we have the first pendant. SKU is 7323, style is heart, and the base is 18 karat white gold. Two things to keep in mind about this pendant. First is it comes with one baguette shaped diamond on the veil. Next, the actual heart shape isn't from a single stone. It's a cluster style pendant, which means it's a combination of stones. Overall, it's a wonderful piece and it makes a great gift for this special someone, given that it's Valentine's Day. Next, we have another pendant. SKU number is 5149, style is heart, and the base is 18 karat white gold. This is a pendant, so the chain is sold separately. The actual shape of it is more puffy and spherical. The diamonds are pavé set, and because the pendant is covered entirely with pavé set diamonds, it has a lot of diamonds on it. The total carat weight is 0.81. Overall, it's a wonderful piece for this occasion. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out all the links in the description below for all the products shown in the video. And of course, head on over to our website where you can see many more products as well as get in touch with us if you have any questions.